4.5 starts, as all our other assignments in this chapter. So I've named my sheet. I've pasted in my data. Okay, we're going to start off. Bold and center column headings. Fill with yellow. Select the player numbers. Bold and center. Fill with blue. And change the color of the text to white. And give my spreadsheet some borders. Okay. Next, we're going to adjust the columns to better fit the data. Let's make sure James McAdoo gets fit in there. Position, age, weight, college, and salary. Get all that heading in there. Okay, we're going to sort column G, Z to A, for salary. Next with this assignment's a little quicker. We're going to show you how to insert a drawing. In 4.4 we inserted an image, but you can come up with your own drawings. So click on Insert, Drawing. Okay, and we're going to insert a shape. In this case, we're going to insert an arrow, a left pointing arrow, left arrow. And what you do is you click and drag this plus sign, make yourself a good size arrow. And I'm going to click on this arrow and change the line color to red. And I'm going to fill this arrow with green. And I'm going to put some text in here. To do that, I can double click here and I'm going to type in what? All the way down here, even though he is league MVP. The league. All right, and we can adjust this later, the size and everything. Okay, so to fit the text. Okay, we can also do, let's do this. Let's select the text and let's change this text color. Notice I don't see anything to change the text color, but if you click on more, we get all the text formatting options. So I'm going to find the text color and I'm going to change that to purple. Okay, that is not a great looking color combination, but we're going to work with it. Okay, click on Save and Close. Who are we talking about? Okay, now notice I have the options with the handles to make this smaller, bigger, using the hand. And we're of course talking about Stephen Curry. And so I'm going to point to his name. Number 7 in row 7, and let's have that pointing to his name, the row that he is in, which is row 7. Okay, one thing is what we're going to do too is we're going to freeze this row. Now notice that if I had a lot of names here, say for example I had a spreadsheet with 50, I would want to keep these headings in the same place when I was scrolling up and down. And let me show you how we can do that. I can click on View, and I'm going to freeze one row. So that's going to freeze one row. it's going to freeze this row. What that means is the data scrolls up and under it. The data doesn't change, it just changes the look, so we know what our column headings are. And that can be very useful with larger spreadsheets with many rows. Okay? So I've inserted my drawing, I've sorted my data, and I've frozen that top row. You're all done with assignment 4-5.